how to fix if you are unable to share notes on your messenger. So as per the new update of Messenger, you will be able to share notes on your Messenger just like the way you do on your Instagram. But if you are unable to find that, then you must watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Messenger from where you will be able to see the chat with your friends. In the upper section, you will be able to share your profile with the plus icon from where you'll be able to share notes. But if you're unable to have that, then the first thing is you need to take for the update of your messenger. For that, just have to go back and you have to open up to Play Store. And you have to tap on the search bar and you have to search for messenger. So right now my messenger is up to date, but if any updates of your messenger is available, then you just have to tap over the update option and it will be updated. And with that update, you'll be able to get the feature for sharing notes. This is the thing. Now you just can go back and check, you'll be able to have that if an update is available. But even though you update your messenger and it's not available still, then another thing you can do is you have to report a problem to messenger. For that, you have to tap over the three bar horizontal line at the left of the corner and you have to tap over the settings option over here. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see the report technical problem option. Just tap over there. Messenger will create a report and you'll be opened up to the text field. So in this text field, you have to explain that I am unable to have feature for sharing notes on Messenger. So help me to have that. Yeah, you can write like this, or you can also add your own. You can tap over the same option at the right of the corner, and by doing that, the bug will be finalized and Messenger will contact you through any media and they will guide you to get that feature or something like that. But if you are still unable to have that feature, then you must know that right now Messenger happens to provide this feature for everyone. So whenever you get that, you'll have that. So you just can wait. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can list down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.